Hello guys, how are you? Today we will discuss about USB, short form of Universal Serial Bus. USB, pronounced USB, is a plug and play interface that allows a computer to communicate with peripheral and other devices. USB connected devices cover a broad range, anything from keyboard and mic to music player and flash drivers. For more information on these devices, see USB devices sections. USB may also send power to certain devices such as powering smartphones and tablets and charging their batteries. The first commercial release of the Universal Serial Bus version 1.0 was in January 1996. This industry standard was then quickly adopted by Intel, Compaq, Microsoft, and other companies. Where are the USB ports? All modern computers have at least one USB port. Below is a list of typical locations where you can find them. Desktop computer. A desktop computer usually has 2 to 4 ports in the front and 2 to 8 ports in the back. Laptop computer. A laptop computer has between 1 and 4 ports on the laptop left and right or both sides. Tablet computer. The USB connection on a tablet is located in the charging port and is usually micro USB and sometimes USB-C. Some tablets have additional ports, USB ports. Smartphones. Like tablets, the USB ports on smartphone is used for both charging and data transfer in the form of USB-C or micro USB devices. Today, many different USB devices connected to your computer. The list below contains a few of the most common: digital camera, external drive, gamepad, headset, iPod or other MP3 players, keyboard, keypad, microphone, mouse, printer, joystick, jump drive, aka thumb drive, scanner, smartphone, speaker, tablet, webcams, etc. USB connector types. USB connector come in different shapes and sizes. Most of the USB connectors, including the standard USB, mini USB, and micro USB, have two or more variations of connectors. Further, more information on each provided below. Mini USB like this, micro USB as shown in picture, and USB Type C like this. Mini, first of all, we will discuss first one, mini USB. Mini USB, also known as Mini B, is used with digital cameras and computer peripherals. Mini USB has largely been replaced by micro USB and USB-C cables on newer devices. Second one, micro USB like as shown in front. Micro USB. Micro USB announced in 2007 was designed to replace mini USB. The two varieties of micro USB are micro A and micro B, both featuring a connector size of 6.85 into 1.8 millimeter. Although micro A connectors feature a larger maximum over mold size, micro USB cables are often used to connect computer peripherals, video game controllers, and for charging smartphones. While many companies are upgrading to USB Type-C connectors next station, micro USB is still commonly used in electronic devices. And third one, USB Type-C, which is showing in you front of the screen. USB Type-C. USB Type-C cable is featured on most modern day Android phones, flashing laptops, and other USB connected devices. Unlike other forms of USB connections, USB-C cables are reusable, meaning they plug in is correctly regardless of whether or not they are upside. In addition to charging batteries and transferring data, USB-C cables and display video for this reason. Some manufacturers have removed both standard USB and HDMI ports in favor of USB-C ports, as seen on the MacBook series of laptops. USB transfer speeds. USB 1 into X is an external bus standard that supports data transfer rates of 12 Mbps and can support up to 127 peripheral devices. The picture shows an example of USB cables connected to the USB ports. USB 2.0, also known as high-speed USB, was developed by Compaq, Hewlett Packard, Intel, Lucent, Microsoft, NEC, and Philips. Was introduced in 2001. High-speed USB can support a transfer rate of up to 480 megabytes per second Mbps or 60 megabytes per second. Its mean Mbps. USB 3.0, also known as Super Speed USB, was first made available in November 2009 by Buffalo Technology, but the first certified devices were not available until January 2010. USB 3.0 approved by USB 2.0 technology with the speed and performance increases, improved power management, and increased bandwidth capability. It provides two unidirectional data paths for receiving and sending data at the same time. USB 3.0 support transfer rates up to 5.0 gigabytes per second Gbps or 640 megabytes per second Mbps. Following the release of USB 3.1, it's officially renamed USB 3.GN1 for marketing purpose. The first certified device included motherboards for AUSS and gigabyte technology. Dell began including 3.0 ports in their Inspiron and Dell XPS series of computer in April 2011. USB 3.1, also known as Super Speed Plus, was made available as of July 31st, 2013 and is the latest version of USB protocol. USB 3.1 can transfer rates up to 10 Gbps, putting it in line with the first generation of Apple Thunderbolt channel. Today, many devices use 3.0 and 3.1 divisionally for improved performance and speed. USB version capability. Each USB port version is backward compatible and forward compatible, meaning it can support any version below or above its current number. For example, device designed with USB 1.1 and 2.0 technology work in a 3.0 port. However, it should be noted that devices with lower version run at their native transfer speeds even through USB 3.0 is capable of higher. Similarly, if you connect a USB 3.01 device into a USB 2.0 port, the 3.1 device max transfer rate is limited to that of the 2.0 port. USB cables length and types. USB cables are available in multiple lengths from a few inches to over 16 feet. The maximum length of a USB cable is 16 feet 5 inches, it means 5 meters for high speed devices, and 9 feet 10 inches mean 3 meters for low speed devices. These maximum lengths are due to data transfer timing and the risk of data loss if using longer cable lengths. However, USB hubs you can connect two USB cables to extend distance between the two devices effectively. There are different types of USB cables as well. As we mentioned above, there are different transfer speeds 2.0 and 3.0 for USB. Similarly, there are different types of USB cables to match those speeds. You can get a USB 2.0 cable for use with a device USB 2.0 or a USB 3.0 for use with a device using 3.0. USB extension cables are connected to one end of a USB cable, extending the length of connection. However, avoid extending the cable beyond the maximum USB data transfer distance of 16 feet 5 inches unless you are using a USB hub to boost the signal. Hope you enjoy and understand about the USB. Thanks for watching. Thank you.